How to buy shares of Meridian Energy Ltd is the search we are answering today. Meridian Energy Ltd is a New Zealand renewable electricity generator with large hydro and wind assets listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker MEZ.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy this stock, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After you register, you must verify your account, usually providing an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MEZ.ASX to find the company. Check the search results carefully to make sure you select Meridian Energy Ltd on CBOE AUS. Open the Meridian Energy Ltd page to view the company summary and the price chart. Confirm that the listing matches MEZ.ASX and the exchange information before proceeding. To buy, click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or scheduled, and the platform will notify you of execution timing. If you do not have enough funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Your new position will appear in the Portfolio or Holdings section once the order executes. For the example link to eToro and further details, check the description below.